Hello and welcome to another episode of
DollyDTV.
Today we're looking at Pokemon My Partner Pikachu. So welcome back. We are going to be looking at Pokemon My Partner Pikachu, and this has been kindly sent to us from our friends at Character. Yeah, and also if you want to take part in a competition, we'll put the link up here, and that's to win a box full of Pokemon toys.
Yeah.
That sounds fun, doesn't it? You're in your phase, aren't you, at the moment? Yeah. So what we'll do is we have a look in what's in the box.
Yeah.
What have we been sent? What have we been sent? Right. Let's see. Let's open the box. See what's in there. So let's take out the roll. We've got lots of stinky red paper. That's always good fun. And in here we have. Put it down there a moment. So here we go. This is the Pokemon, and it's Play and Discover 100 plus touch sensor reactions.
That's why I'm keeping the back.
That's more than me. 3 touch sensors. Pikachu speaks, I was going to say 19 different languages then. It's 19 different emotions and responses. Light up tail, super bright LED light. Ears move, 3 different speeds. Ooh, I don't know how we're going to check that, other than hopefully it's going to be obvious. Light up cheeks. And the arms move, 3 different speeds. So there's 2 ways to interact. We can discover. Let me just read it from the back here, it's getting a bit tricky. So discover, interact with Pikachu's touch sensors and discover over 100 reactions. Train. Does it come with a train? Oh no, train. Learn Pikachu's 9 different reactions by mastering its different touch sensor combinations. There you go, look, that's what I've just read out, all this stuff, and you can see from the picture on the back there, this looks so cool. What we're going to do is we've got to work out what the sensors are, which, judging by this image on the back, we've got forehead, nose, and belly button or chest. We'll have a go with all those, but I think what we need to do now is we need to jump cut and put the batteries in.
Yeah.
Or do you want to see us put the batteries in?
Yeah.
Right, let's put the batteries in there. Here we go. Oh, that sort of came off easy enough. Instructions.
Yeah.
So we've got quite a few instructions here. Well, quite a few, but a book. Right, do you want to, well,
It's made by the same company. It's made by the same company of Gujitsu's.
oh, okay.
It's got the same
Interesting
logo.
fact there. Do you want to break the seal on the box? Go on, this bit. Peel that off. You're good at breaking stuff, come on. Yeah, pull it like that. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
I don't think we're going to be able to salvage the box somehow. I think the box is over and done with. Put that over there. Right, we have the batteries. I know, it does seem a little bit strange, doesn't it? But that's the way it is. Right.
Yes.
Whoops. Right. Oh, it's already got some batteries in it. So there you go. This one takes, I'm trying to remember, these are AG13 or L44 batteries, which are quite a common one in all these sort of toys. It looks like it comes with battery supply. Oh, here we go. Let's put him down here. Let's have a look. So we're going by the pit. He's an active little character, isn't he? Yeah, we've got the head, the nose, and the belly. Should we try? Let's see. Ooh, should we try? Let's see. Stroke the head. Ooh, the ears go. Oh, that's a different speed on the nose. Should we try the nose? Ooh. Sniffing. Should we try 2 combinations? See what happens.
Okay.
Oh, what's going on here? Look. Some tail flash then. Oh. The thing that I'm thinking that's going to be a bit tricky is trying to show you. I don't think we will be able to show you all the different 100 combinations. That would probably take us a long time, not only to learn them all, but I think it'd spoil it for you as well. Because if you know what they all are, it's not going to be as much fun to find them, is it? So yeah, one thing it does come with, for all you parents out there, an on and off switch. Or should it say sleep switch? Stroke the head. Let's see. And you can see the cheeks. Cheeks of Wow, that's a different sound. Oh, we've got a light coming on here. The tail lights up as well, so that's something new. Oops. And then, let's see, let's stroke the belly. Oops, tail's coming on. Training examples. So here we've got in our instruction thing some of the training examples. So should we have a look and have a go at some of these? Right, 1, turn him on, we've done that. 2, press any 1, 2 or 3 combinations of head, nose or belly touch sensors. Watch Pikachu react with lights. Oh, okay. Emotions, motion, sound to every touch. Discover over 100 reactions. I wonder if Monty's got 100 different reactions. Oh. Advanced Mode 2 training. To enter Mode 2, press and hold the head and belly sensor for 5 seconds. What does this do then? So head and belly sensor. Have you turned it off?
Yes.
Oh, Spence. It's like, I thought it should have been a bit more active than that by now. So head sensor, belly sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right, we are in. So, Pikachu will signal it's ready to train when you see his cheeks and tail flash and hear a zap sound twice, which we did. Solve 9 diff reactions with a unique combination of sensors before hearing a zap. So, right, we've got to try and hear a zap then. His ears have got a thing. Oh, we heard a zap then, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's really zappy. So, what do you think of Pikachu?
Awesome.
You think he's awesome, do you? You're going to try and work out all the different combinations.
Yes.
I'm sure you can actually.
And also go on to Wicked Toys.
Wiki Toys, yeah, and have a look and see what there is on there. I'm going to try that one out. We've been joined by Isabella. She's wandering through and she noticed Pikachu, and you absolutely love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's my favourite Pokemon character.
So, are you going to try and work out with Spencer? I'll give it to you. Try and work out all the different 100+ combinations that you can do. So by pressing different things, belly, his nose, or his head. Ooh.
And he might say sometimes wee wee.
Wee wee, okay.
That's yes in French.
So
He just said that when we were in the video.
Pika Pika. And there's different training modes and stuff for you to try out. So you're going to try and do that, Isabella?
You just thought you could too.
I'm sure they're going to have loads of fun with him, aren't you?
Yes.
So we thank you to our friends at Character for sending him to us so that we can play with him and show you exactly what he can do as well. And remember the link to if you want to win a box full of Pokemon stuff. And also, if you found our video great, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you can, and remember to do the notification bell so you know when our reviews come up.
Pikachu!
And until we see you next time, we should say